What's up, y'all? I'm David from RV Family.Life. We live in our RV for 2 years, and we are out touring RVs right now. I've got some special guests with me. We're here in a big group. Hopefully you can hear me. But this is a Reflection from Grand Design, a 31 MB. Let's take a look at what they've got going on. I'm trying to get better at checking this out, but let's take a look here at numbers. Here are some of the weights. I noticed that this thing has got a 11,995 pound, there it is down there, gross vehicle weight. That's what matters to me the most. What is that top end weight? We can always figure out cargo capacity later. At least that's my opinion. One of the things that I definitely like about this one is that it's got an access panel there for its furnace. So that allows you to work on the furnace from the outside. If you follow our channel, I've struggled with working on our furnace because I don't have that exterior panel. I have to pull it all apart from the inside just to work on my furnace. This is probably our mid-bunk slide right there. Usually if you see that vent right there, that's usually your kitchen hood vent. A lot of noise coming from this RV as this is got a lot of people checking it out right now. And they've got a hitch on the back where they can attach their bicycle. Now this is an RV, this is not an RV show. This is like a tour of homes. So there is somebody living in this RV right now. You can see the line just to go in here to check this RV out. All right, now this RV has got plenty of modifications done. We're gonna start up at the front. Got some great colors they've added in here. I love the blinds. Looks like they've probably done some painting as well, lightening everything up. You've got a storage closet area over there. Looks like they probably could add another air conditioner up there at the top. I like the little shelf over the top of the bed right there. Little tables on the sides there. I don't know if I could get my big fan there, but I sure would try. Definitely some nice touches in here. All right, let's check right here. We got a pocket door into the bathroom. Decent sized shower. I'm not going to go ahead and dig into people's personal showers there, but it does have the floor is about even with the floor here, inside and out, and a skylight up there. And I can tell you from right where I'm standing, I've got about 6'6" clearance from the floor right now. Take a look at my head right here. So that's plenty of room. So I'm willing to bet a 6'8", a 6'9" could actually fit in that shower. For this being a smaller RV, that is a pretty good size. They added, or they painted everything in here too, making lighter colors. Love the seafoam green that they've got on their underneath their sink. And it is a porcelain foot flush toilet. Extra cabinet there. The vent that they've got up here, not my favorite of fans. It's the smaller fan. Definitely appreciate a max fan better, but maybe not everybody appreciates that as much as I do. And they also have that max air cover, so they can drive down the road with this vent open, letting some heat get out of the RV. All the frustrations that I have with the one-touch systems, it's nice to see a regular control panel.
Yeah, that's pretty much the main thing in here, right? Yeah, sorry. No, you're fine. Projector instead. Because I wanted the counter space more than I wanted a TV.
So the TV was right here. Yeah. And now there's a projector that projects on the screen up there. The projector is in there. It's amazing. So there was a U-shaped dinette back here, and they took that out and put in their own couch back here. Did this couch come with it originally, or did you? Okay. Where did you guys buy your Thomas Paine couch from when you decided? Lippert? Okay. Very cool. And that gave you more space with the sides? Very cool. We got a pantry over there. Turned the island into a peninsula. Oh, and I see what you're saying. You got a dog crate down there.
Raffles not in it. He's big.
All right. And that's the 12-volt fridge. Did you guys change that out? Came with it? And you've got a max fan here. It's too bad they don't give you the max fan in the bathroom.
Yes.
I love our max fan. We have 3. Both bathrooms and the kitchen. And you've got a fireplace down there.
Yep.
And y'all, I love the seafoam green. It's a great color. And you said you relocated the door? Oh, okay. That does seem wasteful in such a limited space to have 2 doors. That is odd. I got all done touring that Reflection fifth wheel and realized I never went in the bunkhouse. I am really sorry that I missed that. I didn't want to just drop this video entirely though, because I loved what they did with this RV. The paints, the colors they did in there, the curtains, as well as changing their island to like a full-on kitchen peninsula and putting a dog crate in there it was such a great rebuild. So I wanted to share this with y'all. So thanks again for watching our video, and remember that life happens.
Don't let it stop you.
Stay fresh, cheese bags.